Beautiful button placement. Now let's see how this one is. I'm pretty sure I can just ride this one. Oh.
Thank you.
You guys going up or down?
Up.
Up.
Oh, okay. Sorry, man.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, it's this one. Thank you.
You're
How much
welcome.
is it?
$60.
Actually? Seven. One line.
One look.
Open up here.
This was $10.
That's amazing. The place to be on.
There
Thank
you
you.
go.
Good
You're
night.
welcome. Good night. This one has the different floor indicator layout. That's it. But up that much. Alright, let's go back down to 6 before I get busted. Sorry. Yeah, this is the other suite elevator at Madison Square Garden. Lanterns like lit up there. You're welcome. There it goes. And that's it. I want to get this funny button. It's completely off center. It's kind of funny. Alright, that's it.